SAP BTP-based custom AI has enormous potential to help SAP customers differentiate their business operations and increase competitive advantage. In a fast-paced domain like modern artificial intelligence, it is critical to have clarity on how to best develop custom AI. That's why we need SAP BTP-based best practices. Prompt templating is a structured approach to efficiently integrate AI models into business applications using SAP AI Core. Prompt templating is a method used to create structure and reusable prompts for large language models. This approach allows developers to program, store, and reuse prompts efficiently across different tasks and applications. The expected outcomes are reusable templates for specific tasks, as well as performance, reliability, and efficiency of large language models' responses. Interested to know more? Visit the Best Practice Prompt Templating. Thank you.